The acting Sardar of Maukanrao Pillun, overseeing Mauleng and Maukanrao villages, Kit Borlang Mukhim, has issued a clarification regarding the protest by residents of the two villages on the morning of 20th January 2025. The residents were opposing the allotment of land for the construction of a Ramakrishna Mission school. During the protest at Umjar Field, villagers attempted to erect wooden posts as part of their agitation, but faced police and magistrate intervention. This resulted in the use of tear gas and lathi charges. 7 individuals, including a pregnant woman, sustained injuries and were taken to Maukanrao PHC for medical attention. Explaining the situation, Kit Borlang Mukhim stated that the decision to allot the land was made following written approval from the village councils of Maukanrao and Mauleng. Both councils had agreed to hand over the land to Ramakrishna Mission for the school project. He further noted that opposition to this allotment has been ongoing for several years, with the recent protest reigniting the issue. In response to the unrest, the magistrate of East Khasi Hills imposed a curfew under Section 163 BNSS to restore order in Maukanrao area.
Nek kathai le bagalung bagapun khon kanai. Kathai rom nam lak kholon na.
Bar arsenong sa siaka sport club ban senam madan football ni murkanai ka bangila dap ai ngin ai ba siaka madan namta ka madan football. Ngin penhai kena katum kecing ai da pajba kalong da kabor jung pajba ban pen I kum kadak ka bangiyat kum bangila ai ngin ai kum tahi bat ngin trai da kabor jung pajba ngin dia trai be da ka ba cecai ndai ban lik putut ya kiwe ngin dia trai be tai kan badan dia ban ya trai dik sing simsit ha ini ya trai be da ka ba cecai be trai ya ka kum kata kam don hapo asinong kecungi kiba long kristan kiba Kimpam balong kristan rengi long kawai kam cu don kanu kam don kecing ya kani hot ngila dawa kal adon hapo district council ngila dawa namar uni acting Sardar pelabat dakai pausnem kabom song hok su bon bat kum acting dakai pausnem ngila dawa banjo ya Sardar ubah pura hapo sinong Mauleng Maukanrao ngila dawa ya kata ngila ikendu ngila yo ya ke herring ngai nakaliang cong UIM ubah pek ubah dai pek ula bu por nakaliang ba pensingan mentau la song thai kumu IM wadai pe jage ilaka te ula ong bangin penmi no order nrai hadu kan mentar ka klemi kata ko order nrai mentar dangilek mi biang ulong ba ngala iya kakam te ula IT secretary deputy secretary tangila wan ya kendu ya deputy secretary baru ong ba ngin ya kendu baru ba penyaj nama la simtiu sar penyaj te mon ngin ap ya kata markani berokah kecing keluar kada kecing le jong acting sodar nak kata tahu kami ke hari hura halor kaning rim ngidawa hero nakaliang jong ka KHEDC kamtam yam badai paj ba unla no mardor ya kini kenang benwanra ya ke syong suk ke syong sengan hapo ke sinong ka tahu jong bau aibor ban kawang de kini terkas sekipaj ba klem dadon kanu ka tingya khi klem don kanu ka tingya thom da kabor nakaliang jong paj ba anrai ngi le sisu sidu anrai un wala katkum kini hadu kan ni tamut I kumba ngingi la ya ra ya kiter misau hon ya ra ya kinar kimu ban pun bahaya kemadan ban ya so ya kibriu kata ngap rem tu cur ya video uba aibor ya kipulit bakin kawang terkas syaki pajba kamdon jing temu ndai tang ban pun bahaya kemadan ban pun iya kadak bakani ke caka kadai ke bal ai ke klok ha idon iwe bal armet dari iwe ba armet lang saucur kan idang apa ni po isi ni margin up ya ke report nani sa ra sepo sibil hospital ni pa jadi ke bisa ni
bupila khang em sundan yak te jika ba
eh yam tamun ngila khang si sundan ba nakaliang jongi pa ba ngila khang si sundan bat ladadon kanu kuno nimdon kicing bakhi em kadon nakaliang namar nga ngadai na maulay tan nakaliang tong usodar maulay udon benta bat unia wakting sodan si namar kata ngimla ngamla banlum banlang ban khodor bare hapo sinong maulay namar usodar sinong maulay udon sekaliang jong acting sodar uday briu jong acting sodar kumolong mane acting sodar bat kibriu jong